Hi guys, Mr. True Life on here. So in this mini course, I want to tell you the apps you would need this period to guarantee massive sales on your Shopify store. You know the holidays are coming, the Black Friday period is here, all the holidays that would run through from now till like the end of the year. Everything you would need to have installed on your Shopify store to make sure and to give you that guarantee that you'll be able to pull in a new stream of visitors and also customers for your products, right? Everything I'm going to be outlining, I'm going to be picking on all of them one after the other. So the first thing you need to have is the Google and Facebook. First thing you need to have on your store is the Facebook and the Google channel, right? And this is as easy as going into your Shopify dashboard and then you type in the names Facebook channel or Google. And what this helps you do is, well, as long as you're logged into your Facebook, you're able to log into your business manager and then you select the exact ad accounts you're going to be using to promote your products through Shopify. You can do all of that from the Shopify dashboard. You need the Facebook channel, and also it integrates other things like your Facebook pixel, so you can track and measure data and you know how your customers are behaving across your store. Same thing with Google too. The next one we'll be treating is the Lucky Orange. I know a lot of you do not know about this app, but it's a great app. It's called Lucky Orange, as seen here. And what Lucky Orange records is heat maps and site sessions. For example, if you are on the homepage of your store and people, okay, let me show you an instance. So you're on the homepage of your store, right? And then for some reason, visit um, people visit they click a particular link on the homepage of your store, but that is not the product you're trying to promote, right? But for some reason, that is where they all stop, or from there they go into your product page, they see something else. There are heat maps that will be shown via this Lucky Orange app, and that those heat maps will show you, okay, this is where you have the population of people that drop into your store. This is where they are visiting. So you would know, okay, I could create a button here that would direct them to the desired product or to the particular product you want them to see, or the one you intend to sell, right? Good. So for example, let me say for example, this is the home page of a store, and for some reason they're supposed to land on the product page, but they always go to the home page, and you have a massive amount of visitors clicking this link that says sunglasses, right? So it then in on your Lucky Orange app, it will show you that, oh, a large number of your visitors are clicking that sunglass link. So you would know that, okay, since that's what they're clicking, the desired product or whatever you want to sell to them should be shown right after they click that link, right? So it also helps you measure. For example, you can see and measure your abandons, checkouts. You can see the problems they are having. Maybe there's an issue with your payment provider or your processors on site. And for some reason, people are adding products to cart. They are clicking checkout. They're trying to initiate checkout on your site, but the sales are just not coming through. This is another one you can use to really measure that. You then know, okay, there's something wrong with the payment processor and you need to work on that, right? So Lucky Orange is a very important app you need on your Shopify store, right? And then it's as easy as just typing in Lucky Orange on your app store within Shopify, and then you can get this. I think it has like a 14-day trial period, after which you then start making maybe like a payment of maybe $7 per month. But it's as easy as that. It's very easy to use. So it shows you visitor experience, and it also helps measure heat maps and shows where all the traffic coming into your store, where they are populated. Now the next one is an upsell app. It's called Frequently Bought Together, right? Now, if you want to set up upsells or cross sells, you know these are very important for your sales. For example, if you have a product that is $50, instead of just having someone buy a $50 product, you could also send them an upsell, right? An upsell that would cost probably $20 or $15, and then that would increase your order value. So instead of someone coming into your store to buy a product of $50, you're making them buy that product and something related which costs $15. Or for example, if you don't take the $50 product, they are getting a downsell which would cost them maybe $30 or something related. And it's very, very easy. This just helps boost the average order value and also conversions on your store. The next app we would be talking about is the Ultimate Sales Boost. It's related to the frequently bought together app. As the name implies, it helps boost sales on your store, setting up proper upsells, cross sells, and also down sells. These are apps I have used for a couple of months now, and they've really worked out for me. So these are apps you should try out. Now the next one you need is this. You need apps that will help you carry out your shipping easily, right? So the next app we're talking about is Easy Ship. Also, we have ShipBob for your order fulfillment. If you run a product business and you ship to people maybe in the United States or other countries, you need a fulfillment center if you do not live in that origin country. And what fulfillment centers help you do is they could help receive your orders, store your orders for proper storage, and also they could help you send out your orders via different courier services. So if you do not live in the US, for example, a fulfillment center like ShipBob would help you carry out all of that, and they have an app on Shopify that helps you carry out all of these easily. What Easy Ship does is when an order comes into your store, you're able to see that okay, this order has come in. They help you with the printing of labels, they help you with the packaging, they help you with knowing, they help you create even tracking numbers that you can as well send to your clients so they can measure and know the status of their orders as before the orders get to them. Now, the last one I really want you to think about is this one called SMS Bump, right? I know we do a lot of email marketing. Everyone's talking about email marketing. Send people emails. You can run campaigns in your emails. You get traffic back to your store without running ads. Now think about this. This is one for SMS. Almost everyone is on their phone, right? Everyone is on their phone. They're trying to text family, friends. Now just imagine that as they're on their phones, you are able to disrupt whatever activity they are going through at that point in time, and you're able to recover 50% or 40% of your abandoned checkouts that left for some reason. SMS Bump is a very, very good app you can use for this. It's very, very good for recovering most of the orders you lost for reasons like failed checkouts, or maybe they abandoned or they left your store for some reason. This SMS marketing, you can always send them campaigns that would show them stuff like, oh, you left this product on store, do you want to get these back? You can pull them back even with discounts or incentives. Would you mind getting this back at a 10% discount? It just increases the conversion on your store and helps you get more sales. Here's something I have for you, right? If you're looking at starting up a brand new Shopify store and building your own personal brand, or your own probably clothing brand, fashion brand, or whatever brand at all you want to start up or scale starting this period. I know we all want to go into the new year with goals and ambitions and stuff we want to do. If you do want to start crushing it, this is the best period to start. Why? With the Black Friday sales and the holidays coming up, the Thanksgiving, the winter period, and everything that's going to happen in the next few months, and you're willing to start up a brand you know you can scale, that can create freedom for you or your family, then there's a program I would like to introduce you to. So if you are looking at starting up all of that and really building that business of freedom for yourself, you should try out this program. It's called How to Start and Scale Your E-commerce Brand, and I put you through all the steps and everything I had to do. It's the ultimate guide to starting out your own e-commerce store and scaling it to 6 and 7 figures. With this, we cover ads, we cover creating your store, we cover getting suppliers, we cover testing out products, we cover orders, we cover fulfillment. So in this, we also go over other things such as the difference between drop shipping and also creating your own brand, plus private labeling, and so much more. We go over shipping out items and order fulfillment. We go over our 4-step framework that helps you scale your program from whatever how much you're starting out with into 6 or 7 figures. We go over our framework that gets you to scale to 6 and 7 figures in whatever niche you are. We go over different niches, how to find the best products, how to communicate with suppliers, how to know you are working with the best and most favorable suppliers for the brand, how to run a brand campaign, different strategies, the two strategies I use for our Facebook and Instagram ads that really brings in a downpour of clients into different e-commerce brands. And we also look at other businesses and how their business model works and how this can be tailored into yours. Plus, also, there's also a weekly session where you can always ask all your questions and you're put into a community of like minds like you, where you can ask all your questions, and in any way at all or anywhere you are not clear as regards any part of the setup, we can also help you with that, whether it's the tech setup or product setup or anything at all, or your funneling, anything at all. We show you how to do all of this in the program, right? It's a 6-week intensive program and it's something you do not want to miss out on, right? Good. It's a 6-week intensive program. It's something you don't want to miss out on. So just click the link below right now, and that's going to take you to the page where you see more info about these products and how you can get in right now before at a cheaper, and how you can get into the program at a better price than when it is released at launch. It's going to be launched and it's going to go for about $127 when it's launched. But if you get in at this point, at the price point you see on that next page, you'll be one of those that will get it for lesser, and then you also be on the wait list even before the program launches. So you'll be the first set of people that will be getting in and will be attended to when the program is released. Just click that link below to see what is really about. So in the program also we go over other forms of advertising, because I know everyone talks about just Facebook ads and Instagram ads. We go over other different platforms that you could use to promote and advertise your products, because you have streams of customers in all these platforms, right? Not just you solely focusing on Facebook and Instagram. So that way you are able to even add probably a third or a fourth source of traffic to the one you get from Facebook or Instagram. And that brings you what? That brings you more customers, and that's more value for your money. And this is a great way to start and even scale up your e-commerce brand. And we show you everything you need to do this. If you want to get into the program before it is released, there's a wait list on the next page you're going to get into, but you'll be getting it for way less than that if you use the wait list that comes on the page on this link you're about to click into. So it's just on you. If you want to really work on your brand and get to scale your brand even before the holidays, let us start working now, because the earlier the better it is for you. You can you can start up and even scale up your brand, and you're able to sell more and more and more, even beyond Black Friday and Cyber Monday, into the holidays and even into the winter season, right? So just click that link and I'll meet you on the other side. Good luck, guys. Bye.